Hello and welcome to this video recording on blockchain, which is a part of digital marketing chapter. Well, just when you thought you kind of like trying to catch a grip on digital marketing, here comes a term blockchain to kind of stir and shake things up a little bit. Well, clearly blockchain has a vast promise and myriad uses. In fact, it's something or it's a tool that could completely revolutionize how we do digital marketing and marketing overall. So let's explore important aspects about blockchain and the uses in digital marketing. In this video, we will cover what is blockchain, providing you a couple of definitions, blockchain uses, cryptocurrency and beyond cryptocurrency, what does blockchain do for digital marketing, and we will explore a few examples of using blockchain in digital marketing. Emeritus, there are a couple of definitions of blockchain, short version and long version. In the short definition, they say it is a digital ledger or record that ensures secure, transparent and tamper-proof transactions. Well, whilst it's short and sweet, there are just a few, perhaps a bit kind of like more confusing and less known terms, such as digital ledger, tamper-proof transactions. So let's look at the longer definition. A distributed ledger technology, DLT, blockchain is used to record data across multiple computers in an immutable, transparent and secure way. So really the focus is on recording data. It verifies individual transactions with a consensus process to create cryptographically secured digital ledgers. This ensures trustworthiness and transparency, reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. Let me propose you one more, hopefully even clearer definition of blockchain. The one I really liked and I came across proposed by Stanford is that blockchain, these would be blocks of data linked into an uneditable digital chain. Okay, so these are blocks of data because it's kind of blockchain is a word of two words, block and chain. This information is stored in an open source decentralized environment in which each block's information is confirmable by every participating computer. It is designed to have decentralized management instead of the traditional hierarchical systems we are already familiar with. And a dispersed structure like the blockchain helps us ensure trust, validity, and usability. There are a number of slightly confusing terms when it comes to blockchain, and hopefully you will agree with me, for an ordinary people, it might be difficult to understand. So, however, a couple of key terms would be blocks and distributed ledger. So let me just briefly explain what we mean. Blocks are the ledgers that are being updated and added to, filled with permanently recorded data. So blocks are ledgers of recorded data, if you like. Transactions are added to this database and synced with every node of a blockchain. Now, these blocks operate on a distributed ledger, meaning that all information and all transactions are shared between parties, regardless of their geography or status. Now, the nature of this decentralized block database system keeps hackers kind of away. Keeps them from being able to tamper or change information on the blockchain. Why? Because altering or changing a single piece of code would be immediately seen against anyone else's copy. So attempts to double spend, fraudulently duplicating the digital currency or asset is really tricky or difficult to do because of a distributed ledger transaction system. Basically, when you look in this way, the distributed ledger is an immutable record that is consistent and always chronologically organized. When it comes to digital marketing, blockchain can help marketeers in a number of different ways. A few potential users, just to mention, would be it would allow to optimize the way customer interactions are tracked. It may increase targeting accuracy. It even allows to manage online advertising campaigns. Furthermore, blockchain arguably offers better traceability, transparency, and accountability than existing methods such as cookies or beacons. This means marketeers can glean more accurate insights into the customer behavior, and as a result, this would allow marketeers to really understand their target audiences and create campaigns tailored specifically to the needs, wants, and desires. Here is a question for you. Is blockchain technology designed for use in cryptocurrencies? Or are there any other cases? What do you think? Please pause me for a moment and consider listening then. While blockchain technologies are customarily discussed in relation to cryptocurrencies, so mainly perhaps yes, cryptocurrencies, the exciting applications are beginning to spill into conversations in completely different industries. These discussions range from data tracking to national cryptocurrencies to non-fungible tokens such as NFTs. And they all really kind of force us to ask this question. So what is blockchain technology capable of? Turns out it is capable of a great deal. Blockchain technology is already around us and is being used, and it's increasingly being used, whether we are aware of this or not. So what are the specific uses of blockchain? Let's have a look. So what are the uses of blockchain? What are the popular uses of blockchain technology from cryptocurrency to other extended uses? So blockchain use cases are growing as industries recognize the potential of blockchain technologies and its uses in different systems or different ways. For example, tracking data, managing information, managing asset transactions to privacy. Now, if you look at the cryptocurrency popularity from Bitcoin to Ethereum to the thousands of other digital marketing currencies, in fact, there are more than 10,000 different digital marketing currencies that exist on the market right now, cryptocurrencies continue to be the most popular use for blockchain technology and data management. However, this is kind of spilling over into other industries or sectors. The growing number and value of these currencies show the importance of blockchain technologies, systems that had allowed digital currencies to become commonplace today. There are so many organizations around the world that accept cryptocurrency payments. There are some ATM machines where you can cash out your cryptocurrency. For example, in New York, there is a gym, a chain actually, and they accept 5 different cryptocurrencies. Now, in terms of the extended popularity of blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that everyone can check to ensure trustworthiness and protects user data goes far beyond financial transactions. So it's not just cryptocurrencies. The potential for blockchain applications are endless, from supply chain tracking to workflow automation. Many companies today are already implementing blockchain technology for their own purposes. For some, blockchain solutions look like supply chain tracking that enables to give all customers insights into the reliable sources of their product. For other organizations, it's more about the proof of authenticity, streamlining documentation, or simply increasing customer transparency and accessibility. A company called Anthem, which is Indianapolis health insurance company, they currently use blockchain data tracking system that enables to give customers access to their own data, and by doing so promotes oversight and greater clarity for customers. Would you not like that as a customer? Or another company called Dole Foods is attempting to streamline the supply chain overall process and transaction data in order to increase transparency about food quality, which enables the company leaders to track the produce from the farm even to the dinner table. In the article by Stanford, they also add that from home equity loans in California, all production in the Netherlands, or the iris scanning ID process, blockchain technology implementation is really expanding globally to many different industries. So what are the benefits of using blockchain in digital marketing? According to Emeritus, there are several benefits. Let's look at some of them. So it allows to strengthen content monetization. Blockchain technology, they say, has the potential to help content makers store, track, and manage their intellectual property in a more secure way. For example, you can automate royal payments using smart contracts. Revenue is distributed directly to content creators and other influencers. This ensures that remuneration is fair and at the same time strengthens relationship between brands, publishers, content creators, and everyone else involved. Blockchain technology can also enable the secure transfer of digital assets such as music rights or artwork. And as a result, this could lead to more creative collaborations as well as better monetization opportunities for digital marketeers. The other benefit, it improves digital advertising campaigns. So Emeritus mentioned that ad fraud, low return on marketing investment, and lack of visibility into customer journey are all kind of like problems that are seen in digital marketing or digital advertising more precisely. However, with blockchain technology, many of these issues actually can be resolved. For example, you can use it to optimize ad targeting accuracy, ensure greater transparency in the buying process, eliminate some third-party fees. Another significant benefit is that AI or artificial intelligence enabled data analysis allows marketers to create smarter campaigns informed by customer insights in real time. This will mean improved return on marketing investment and overall better customer experience. Blockchain technology can also track user behavior throughout their online journey and provide more accurate insights for the marketeers about the campaign performance. For example, marketeers could analyze data such as how many people viewed the ads, how many people clicked on the ads, and even whether they made the purchase as a result of seeing that particular ad or not. This would allow them to make better informed decisions about the tactics and strategies. It boosts transparency, which is a big part of blockchain technology uses, if you like. With blockchain, marketers can ensure transparency throughout the process by recording all payments or negotiations as distributed ledgers. This will give customers more control over their online experience while helping to engender trust in digital marketing. And it can also help with fraud prevention, as fraud has become one of the major problems for digital marketers, costing them billions of dollars each year. The use of technology steps in here and provides some solutions. So the use of blockchain technology, therefore, can help address this issue as it allows for secure and verifiable transactions that are difficult to kind of tamper with. Digital advertising, bots, click farms, and ghost websites are all potential sources of fraudulent activity. Most importantly, the involvement of third-party intermediaries can obscure the source of fraudulent activity, making it more difficult to detect. The solution to this problem is already here. It's blockchain technology, because it allows to record each transaction as an immutable ledger secured through cryptography. And it makes it almost impossible to manipulate or hide suspicious activity. And it helps prevent ad fraud and other malicious activities. So what are some of the examples of blockchain use in digital marketing? Let's have a look at some of them. These examples are proposed by Emeritus, so let me give you a little summary. One of the companies that have used blockchain technology successfully is called BitClave. And BitClave, as you can see, this is a print screen from the Crunchbase. It is a decentralized search ecosystem built on the blockchain to help match sellers with buyers, sellers with buyer needs. Okay, so BitClave builds a distributed blockchain-based smart contracts ecosystem for connecting consumers and businesses. Leveraging BitClave's blockchain-based solutions, businesses can efficiently gain customers and their loyalty, and users can efficiently receive competitive offers and get rewarded for sharing their personal data. Okay, users get rewarded for sharing their personal data. They also say that some of their solutions can benefit a variety of business segments and buyers, especially high-value transactions that require data privacy, security, and authenticity. So now, in marketing language, BitClave is a marketing technology company that utilizes blockchain and smart contract technology to remove costly intermediaries such as Google or Meta from the businesses, right? As a result, users are able to control the data transactions between two parties. Yeah, rather than allowing advertisers exclusive access to customer information, individuals can now choose whether they would like to sell the personal data or use digital advertising services, all while having complete autonomy over these decisions. Another company that is using blockchain in digital marketing is called Orion Coin. It is the next generation multi-tiered loyalty and marketing platform which delivers on its promises by harnessing the power of the blockchain to turbocharge merchandising revenue in ways that traditional models cannot, according to the Crunchbase. So in marketing language, this is multi-level loyalty and marketing platform which uses blockchain to award companies and their customers with coveted ORC, so-called loyalty points. As more entities join in on this really fascinating system, ORC will become increasingly valuable, giving its users an unrivaled advantage when it comes to customer retention. Another company that you may be more familiar with is Brave Browser. Brave software focuses on increasing browsing speed and safety for users, while growing ad revenue share for content creators. Brave aims to transform the online ad ecosystem with micropayments and a new revenue sharing solution to give users and publishers a better deal where fast, safe browsing is a path to a brighter future for the open web, according to the Crunchbase. So in marketing language, this software utilizes the basic attention token, also shortened to BAT, B-A-T, in order to create an efficient marketing model for users, advertisers, and publishers. Ad blockers are no longer necessary as Brave automatically prevents intrusive advertisements on the browser while allowing to anonymously track sites of interest. Blockchain technology simplifies this process further by enabling publishers to receive tokens when users view ads. The user then redistributes these tokens back to the publisher. And you can see, for example, on the Brave website, they compare their search engine with others such as Chrome, DDGo, which is DuckDuckGo, and others. And they look at the particular built-in features such as invasive ads blocked, cross-site trackers blocked, and so on. And of course, as every company would like to make sure you look better in comparison with your competitors, but they score quite nicely on those of the built-in features that they believe are relevant to customers. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again.